Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, episode 65. In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 niches, including a bonus niche. Then, after that, we're going to look at the deleted designs and the upcoming niches. So, if that's something you're interested in, keep watching to the end. Let's go. So niche number 1 is this cute bunny face. Is in relation to Easter. So this is a top trending design related to Easter that I found on Flying Research. Link in the description below if you're interested. And there's a discount code too close to the link. You can use that as well. So this is a cute design. It has a rainbowy color. Do I say tie-dye? Yeah, tie-dye color with the glasses, the bow, and the headband. So this is was found on Amazon.com and no description. I don't know why people do this anyway. Um, you can just take all your bullet points and put it as a description. It helps you rank better because Google uses this description and Amazon uses both. So you're helping Google rank. You're helping your listing rank on Google by using this description. So even if you don't have anything different to put, you can just copy both bullet points and put it as a description. And that's what I do. And this seems like a new shirt. It has no reviews yet, but it has already sold 144 times or more. And this is a BSR right here, price at $13.99. So that was niche number 1. Niche number 2 is this retired 2022 shirt. It says retired 2022, not my problem anymore. It's funny. It's for those who are retired, and it's a vintage sunset design. You guys know that there are 3 types of designs that always sell. There's a vintage sunset with this yeah, I said vintage sunset. That's what it is. There's a vintage sunset. There's a grunge text designs, and then there's a T-Rex. Those 3 designs always sell. Anything that you add a T-Rex to, well, I'm not guaranteeing you, but the likelihood that someone's going to purchase your shirt if there's a T-Rex on your design. We've seen that over and over again. People include T-Rex with maybe Valentine's Day T-Rex, Easter T-Rex, Christmas, and they sell all year round, guys. So if you're not doing that, you start doing that today. Some people even put vintage sunset with T-Rex, then grunge. So they add all the 3 elements of designs that are proven to sell. They put it into one, and people still purchase. So if you haven't been doing it, start doing it today. That was niche number 2. Niche number 3 is this vintage again. You see, I talked about the grunge text. Yeah, this person is using that vintage 1972 limited edition. This could be used for a birthday as well as an anniversary celebration. So what I recommend you to do is to make a shirt like this, but make it different by adding the month, because this person just put 1972 is a year, but you can add the month. You can say vintage January 1972, limited edition vintage February 1972. Yeah, just keep doing it like that. Make different shirts because people have birthdays every day. People have birthdays every month. Their birthdays every single day. So if your design is that shirt, that if you have several shirts that are people's birthdays every day, the likelihood that you're gonna have sales from that shirt is gonna increase. And let's move over to the next niche. Niche number 4 is this shirt. I've been saying it several times, and it's a very slippery slope, especially when it has to do with shots, because the algorithm might think that the shots you're talking about, there's the shots from the gun, there's the shots from beer or a drink, and there's the shots from C19, if you know what I mean. So all of that is the algorithm is really strict with that because they might not know which one you're talking about. You might say shots, talking about these shots, but they might think that maybe it's the gunshots, or maybe they might think that it's the vaccination shots. Um, Amazon doesn't like anything related to violence. And this shirt right here, although it's selling quite well, look at the price, 16.97. I think that's approximately like $3 royalty, 3 point something royalty, and it has over 37 reviews. That means it's selling quite well. And not only did I see this one pop up in the first page, there are two that popped up. So this is it here, the one that I took. Then when we scroll down again, not too far away again, you see it here. This one has the American flag behind. That shows that it's a design that is selling quite well. Someone has recreated it with the American flag behind. And this one is even priced at a price greater than this one. This one is 18 and the person who made another design is 16. So you can see. And just be careful if you're going to enter this niche. That's all I'm trying to say, because the algorithm might not know which kind of shot you're talking about. So just be careful. So next niche, amid it, life will be boring without me. So this is a funny niche design, price 18.99, and it's just a quite easy to make shirt. It's just text, but if I were making a shirt like this, I will make it grunge. Anything that has to do with text, I always go for grunge design to make it different, because this person has made a design that is just text, nothing special about the text. But if you want to make your own design, add something extra to it. Make a dark text and put it on a white t-shirt, because this one is the dark t-shirt. Maybe you can make it different, make it grunge and put it and make it white and put it no, make it grunge, make it black, put it on a white shirt. That's how you make it yourself different. But even if you want to sell it on a black shirt, you can make it grunge and arrange the text different and put it on a black shirt. So those are just simple tips that I do, and those are things that I do myself, and I recommend that you do too. Because we already see that the shirt is trending, we know people are buying it, so we just have to make our own different design different. And another thing that I do is I make the text colorful, because this text is just white. You can make yours colorful, make it a rainbow color. You stand out. Yeah. So next niche, by the way guys, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button as well to get more tips like this. So next is, in my defense, I was left unsupervised, another funny t-shirt. You see, this one too has just white text. The same thing that I'm gonna do, the same thing I said for the previous shirt is the same thing I'm gonna do for this shirt. First, make it grunge. Second, make it colorful. Third, put it on a different kind of background. That's white background white shirt. Those are the three things that I basically do. Or you could add a sunset design, sunset background to it if you want, or you can add a T-Rex to it if you want. Those are things that I do just to make the design different, make it pop better than the shirt that is selling right now. And the last thing, don't forget to advertise, guys. If you have access to ads, definitely advertise to put your shirt up there, because if someone is searching for, in my defense, I was left unsupervised, advertise your shirt in that niche and you're going to be popping on the first page. You're going to start making sales as soon as possible, especially if your design is good. And the reason why I say your design is good, because it's just text. It's not like you have to draw something. Text designs is literally it's just text. It's not like you have some special skills to draw anything and add. The design will definitely be good, guys, if you are just adding these simple changes, making it colorful, making it grunge. There's no way your design is gonna be bad, so that's why I say advertise it anyway. So those are just simple tips. We're gonna jump up to the deleted design segment and then the upcoming issue segment. So let's go. So deleted designs, guys. These are designs that have been deleted. Remove March 26. Okay, I see this one right here. This looks like a Buffalo Bills, yeah, kind of shirt, and that is trademark, guys. So Stab, another one deals with violence or things like that, even related to the movie. Um, so be careful with that. This one looks like infringing on the players. You have no right to do this, guys, except you've been given the copyright permission. But these are people. You have no right to make designs about people, their names. So names of people, I definitely stay away from it. The images of people, definitely stay away from it. So quarantine again related to C19. So be careful too. Um, is it related to someone again? So especially if it has to do with bashing someone or violence of the like. You see, you're talking about traitor here. Yeah, Amazon mostly likes designs that are uplifting, that motivate, that kind of thing, awareness. There's all those kind of designs. But anything that has to do with opposing violence and yeah, you definitely have your design removed. So just be careful with that. Um, so you see another one here, Trader Joe's. We all know who this is referring to. Trader Joe's, the same thing again. The White House, you all know who this is referring to. So just be careful with that. Um, this FUCKYOU, I hope you guys know why it's being deleted. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. I know why it's being deleted, but I just want to know if you know why it's being deleted. But let me know in the comment section below. Do you have names? Chicago. Uh, that has to do with I think this is the baseball season. Yeah, I say removing designs related to baseball, especially related to the teams. You see the Chicago here. You see the same thing here. So guys, just be careful. I'm just gonna do a quick scroll, then you can take a look at the other designs. But if you have time research, you can do this on your own. But I can't do this forever because the designs are too, guys, really. And you think your design is not going to be removed. Anything related to nudity is not accepted. Anyway, we're going to go to the next segment, which is upcoming designs or upcoming niches. So upcoming niches, I'm going to be doing it in the terms of like 20s. So I've started with the first 20 for April, and I'm going to do the next 20 next week. So first 20, April 1st, National Stress Awareness Month. Next is April Fool's Day. Next, World Autism Awareness Day. Find the Rainbow Day. Hug a New Person Day. World Health Day. National Walking Day. National Siblings Day. Encourage a Young Writer Day. So those are the upcoming issues. And that's it for today, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Pronounce and KDP, this is a channel where you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.